1, 2, ready, play.
The grant I wrote was to pay the high school students to come and teach my middle school students, especially the ones who maybe have a little bit harder of a time. This has been my dream since like high school. I've always wanted to set up some sort of after-school program where the kids who maybe can't take private lessons, they don't have the opportunity, they need that one-on-one time, the opportunity to have that time, which makes such a big difference.
In the beginning, when we started doing like complicated songs, I felt that I couldn't do it until I found Fernando, my tutor. I am really glad that he came up because he helped me a lot, and I was able to become first chair. And because of his tutoring, I was able to come to my goals.
My middle school students aren't just thinking about my middle school time right now. They're thinking about, oh, high school, and like, what do I want to be when I'm there? What do I want to do when I'm there? And it's been helping the high schoolers, their skill set as teachers, as mentors, as leaders.
Seeing other students doing this in the program, the orchestra program, seeing them happy, excited to learn, it's honestly something that's motivated me to do this too.
It's really good for their confidence. It's really good to show them like, hey, you can do this. You didn't know how, but you stuck with it, and you did, and you worked hard, and you had your mentors, and you can do it now, and you're good at it. It's really special. I'm so grateful. I love having this program.